Every one of us has some area in our lives where we feel we are not good enough. We may feel we are not good enough at earning money. We are not good enough at motivating people. We are not good enough at the jobs we are doing. Or we are not good enough to make our parents happy or our partners happy. Try as we may, someone or the other is always going to be unhappy with us. That is when we question ourselves. Are we really good at anything? Anything at all? Can we do anything right? Today, I want you to explore with me if you are truly worth your weight in gold. Hi, I'm Seema and I'm an EFT practitioner and an EFT trainer. I'm also a practitioner of matrix re-imprinting and matrix past life re-imprinting. So let's start tapping. Even though I feel I'm not good enough, my self-worth has taken such a hit. I don't have the confidence to do anything. I feel so worthless. I still choose to scan my life, my entire life, and see if this is actually true. Even though what I feel about myself is so upsetting. I wasn't born with no self esteem. I'm sure I picked it up somewhere along the way. I choose to explore my life experiences and I'm open to looking at them with a different lens today. Even though I feel so miserable, no one is happy with me. No one likes to spend time with me. I have no one to support me. I feel so lonely and so alone and so worthless. But today, I want to see and explore if I can be my best companion. Let's go to the top of the head. My self-worth has taken a hit. My self-worth has taken such a hit. My self-worth is so low. I feel I can't do anything. I'm good for nothing. I can't even entertain guests at home. I don't know how to charge for things I have on offer. I don't know how to dish out a brilliant meal. I don't know how to say no. I don't know how to work in the office to the best of my abilities. I just don't know anything. Perhaps that's why no one likes to spend time with me. I'm such a waste of time for them. I bring nothing to the table. I have no savings. I have no investments. I have no hobbies. I have no time. What will people learn from me? I have nothing to offer. I am good for nothing. I cannot hold a conversation. I cannot talk on so many topics. And then I just keep silent. I do not know how to behave around my friends or my colleagues. I don't know how to act my age. I'm just good for nothing. Do I even know anything? I question myself. Am I even good at anything? Let me think. Well, yes, I'm good at a few things. I'm a wonderful friend. I'm a wonderful and compassionate friend who knows how to keep secrets, who doesn't stab in the back, who is completely selfless, who can counsel and guide brilliantly. I'm extremely good at what I do. I can cook so well. My children simply love my cooking. They yearn for my dal chawal even because I cook it with so much of love. I overflow with love. I have so much to offer. I'm so good at EFT. Or you may replace it with whatever you think you are good at. Looking back on the years gone by, I have had so many successes under my belt. Take a deep breath. I have survived difficult situations, difficult people, challenging circumstances, and I have always bounced back. Life threw lemons at me, and I truly made a lemonade, and a delicious lemonade at that. I have overcome so many problems, so many difficulties. So many people reach out to me when they need me, when they know that I'm the only one who can help them. And I have always helped them. I have always been there for them. I have a huge heart, such a huge heart, loving and accepting others as they are, and loving and accepting myself just the way I am. So many times when I could, I put others' needs in front of mine. I put others before me because perhaps their needs were far greater than mine at that time. I am so intuitive. I can sense if something is amiss. I may not say so, but I do. And then take corrective action. In time, every time. I am a genuine person. I am an authentic person with no malice, no manipulations. What I am on the inside is what I am on the outside. No multiple faces or multiple personalities. I am me, proud to be me, proud to be my true authentic self. I can go on and on and on. I am so wonderful. I'm so loving. I'm so caring. I'm so lovable. I'm so kind. I'm so compassionate. I am so loving. You may add a few more of your own and end with, so it is, so it is, and so it is. Try this out for yourself and let me know how you feel after this session.